Welcome back, dear students. Now we are going to discuss about laws of reflection. You have learned in your previous classes there are two laws of reflection. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about that. First of all, this is the plane mirror. You all know how we represent a plane mirror. We first of all draw a straight line, then short oblique lines on one side. This is plane mirror. Okay. Now, for the laws of reflection. Suppose this is a ray, this is one ray of light which is coming from any source of light. Now, this is a ray of light like this. This is called incident ray. Okay. This incident ray has struck the mirror at this point. This is called point of incidence. Okay. At the point of incidence, we draw a line perpendicular to the mirror. This line has been drawn perpendicular to the mirror at the point of incidence. Okay? This is the incident ray which strikes the mirror, and after striking, it gets reflected back. This is a reflected ray. Okay? Now, remember this thing. The angle between incident ray and normal at the point of incidence is known as angle of incidence. The angle between the reflected ray and normal at the point of incidence is known as angle of reflection. Okay? Good. So first of all, let us revise the definitions, 2-3 definitions. What is the angle of incidence? The angle between incident ray and normal at the point of incidence is known as angle of incidence. What is the angle of reflection? The angle between reflected ray and normal at the point of incidence is known as angle of reflection. Okay? Students, remember one thing. This normal is an arbitrary line. This is not a ray. ये रे नहीं है, ये एक इमेजिनरी लाइन है जो हम पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंस के ऊपर बनाते हैं perpendicular to the mirror. Okay. Now we have two laws. Number one law is that is incident ray, this one, reflected ray, this one, and normal, this one, all lie in the same plane. Means incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie in the same plane. Okay? Number two, angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. Dear students, you have to remember one thing very carefully. Angle of incidence is the angle between incident ray and normal. Angle of reflection is the angle between the reflected ray and normal. Okay? Thank you.